Napapaisip ka na ba na baka gusto mo ng mas tahimik na buhay? Yung may sariwang hangin, mapuno, probinsya ang dating? Pero hindi ka naman totally malayo sa Manila. Kung papunta ka na sa retirement or nagpaplano pa lang, this property might be worth looking at. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Hacienda Escudero sa Chiaong, Quezon Province. Gateway siya papuntang Quezon and Bicol provinces. But at the same time, hindi ka nalalayo sa city. San Pablo City is just around 15 to 20 minutes away. Isa ito sa pinakamabilis na lumalagong lungsod sa Laguna ngayon. May malls, hospitals, schools, lahat ng convenience ng city life. Even Chiaong town proper is just 2 to 3 kilometers lang. Kompleto din dito, may city mall, wet market, grocery, kaya hindi ka mahihirapan sa pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan mo. And here's the important part. Yung SLEX TR4, kapag natapos to, travel time from Manila can go down to around 1 hour na lang. Kaya hindi na siya malayo, parang extension na lang siya ng city. Pero mas tahimik. Ngayon ito yung Lake Community, which is yung phase 2 ng Hacienda Escudero. So imagine mo lang, gising ka sa umaga, labas ka, tapos may view ka na ng lake, tahimik, presko, walang ingay. Lot sizes here ranges from 480 square meters to 500 square meters, so hindi sobrang laki, pero very livable. Prices start at around 8 million, so for a gated lakeside community, reasonable na siya. Developed by Landco Pacific Corporation, part ng Metro Pacific Investment Corporation. So malinis ang land title, maayos ang proseso, hindi ka mahihirapan pagdating sa transfer of land title. Maganda yung community, may amenities like clubhouse, pool, security, and ang pinaka-unique, malapit lang siya sa Villa Escudero Resort. Kaya dito, hindi lang property yung binibili mo, yung lifestyle na din. So let's take a quick property tour of Hacienda Escudero. We'll check the amenities and the recommended available lots on inventory. By the way, if you're looking for retirement properties like this, yung tahimik, accessible, and near Metro Manila, consider subscribing sa channel. Regular kami nagpo-post ng property tours like this para matulungan kang makahanap ng tamang place for your next home. And if may questions ka, like available lots, sample computations, or gusto mong makita personally yung mga properties, you can message me anytime through Viber, WhatsApp, email, or through our website. Ilalagay po namin yung details on the screen for you. So let's start dito sa isa sa pinaka-importanting features ng community. This is the main lagoon of the lake community. Isa ito sa pinaka-defining features ng Hacienda Escudero Phase 2. Malaki yung open space, so hindi siya crowded, may feeling ka talaga ng space and calm. Perfect siya for simple things like morning walks or just sitting down and enjoying the view. If you have family visiting, this becomes a natural gathering place. Sa hapon, tambay lang dito, kwentuhan, walang ingay ng city. May mga areas din around the lagoon na pwede for fishing. So kung mahilig ka sa ganun, this is something you can actually enjoy regularly. It's not something you visit once, it becomes part of your everyday environment. This one naman po is a small pond near the entrance. But even this area, may sariling charm din. Mas intimate yung space, mas tahimik. There's also a gazebo here, so pwede kang umupo, magpahinga, or even just wait for someone. Simple feature, pero malaking bagay for daily living. Ito naman po yung amenity area located sa Phase 1. So even if you're in the lake community, may access ka pa rin dito. Malawak yung open space, so hindi lang siya pool area. You can walk around, relax, even bring kids or yung apo mo if they're visiting. And of course, may swimming pool. For retirees, this is actually a big plus. Low impact activity, relaxing, and good for everyday routine. So hindi lang siya bahay, may mga spaces ka outside your home na pwede mong puntahan anytime. Ito naman po yung clubhouse. Dito usually ginagawa yung gatherings, small events, and celebrations. Notice the design, open yung windows, so maraming natural light and airflow. So kahit daytime events, hindi siya mainit or close-in yung feeling. If may family gatherings ka, birthdays, or even small get-togethers, this becomes very useful. Just beside the clubhouse, you'll find this landscape garden. Simple lang siya, pero ito yung mga spaces na nagdadagdag ng comfort sa community. And right here, this is the reception area when you enter the amenity zone. May sitting area, so kung may nahintay ka or gusto mo lang umupo sandali, this is a good spot. For residents and even for guests, this becomes a natural place to pause, relax, or just enjoy the surroundings. Now this is something important for long-term value. This is the central at Villa Escudero. This is envisioned to be the commercial hub of the area. Located right at the entrance along San Pablo Tiaong Road and very close sa future's Lex TR4 Tiaong exit. So over time, this brings convenience. Restaurants, shops, services closer to the community. And at the same time, it helps increase property value in the area. So hindi lang lifestyle, may long-term upside na din. And just a few meters from here is Villa Escudero Plantation and Resort, one of the most well-known heritage resorts in the Philippines. As a resident, you get access here. So if you want a change of environment, hindi mo na kailangan lumayo. It's already part of your lifestyle. Now, for those of you na nag-iisip na talaga, let me show you a few recommended lots inside the lake community. This one is Block 28, Lot 16. Lot size is 465 square meters and north-facing siya, which a lot of buyers actually prefer. But what makes this interesting, yung likod niya. There's a waterway connecting the main lagoon to the other lagoons. So instead of another house directly behind you, you get open space. Mas breathable yung area, mas tahimik, and mas private. This one is Block 20, Lot 53, a 603 square meter lot, so mas malaki siya compared sa typical lots. South-facing siya and irregular in shape. But here's the key detail. One side is along an alley, so instead of having a neighbor right beside you, may extra space ka. And this one is Block 22, Lot 20, a 538 square meter lot, also north-facing. Similar to the first one, may waterway din sa likod. This one connects to the main lagoon to a smaller lagoon inside the community. So again, you get that open feel at the back. Hindi dikit sa ibang bahay. Mas relaxed environment, mas connected ka sa nature. So as you can see, kahit within the same community, iba-iba pa rin yung feel ng bawat lot. Depende na lang talaga kung ano yung preference mo. Kapag napuntahan mo talaga yung lugar, you really see what makes this place different. Hindi siya dense, hindi siya crowded, may space, may tubig, may greenery. For a lot of people planning their next chapter, this is the kind of environment na hinahanap nila. Quiet, accessible, and something you can actually enjoy every day. Hindi siya about moving far away, it's about choosing a better everyday setting. If you would like to know more, like available lots, updated prices, or sample computations, you can message me anytime. Nasa description yung Viber, WhatsApp, email, and website. And if you want to see more properties like this, especially retirement homes just a short drive from Metro Manila, please consider subscribing to this channel. I regularly post property tours to help you make better decisions. So take your time, explore your options, and when you're ready, we'll help you find the right property for you. See you on the next property tour.